Okay, this is my sound effects dalek of a 60s version from Power the Daleks. Now, there is a problem with mine. If you read the title up there, there's a problem with it, which is see, it's not speaking. First, number one, I did turn it on, and two, I did put batteries in. There were actually full batteries in, but I think it's like the voice, or that's something that makes this work is kind of messed up. I mean, it was like this when I saw it in the shop. My mall, the mall in FYE. Yeah, that's what it is. FYE store in the mall of Gaston, Alabama. And just put any comment of how to fix, like how to fix the speech function for this, because I really need to get this working. If there's gonna be like new wires, or need new wires to hook up, so let me know in the comments if anybody can help to work to help with speech, because I'm just disappointed. So this is me signing off, and goodbye.